Hi, have you ever wanted to listen to Texas police scanners on your Alexa device? Well, now there's a skill that lets you do that, and I'll show you how to use it in this instructional video. First thing we need to do is go to the Alexa app on either your Android or iOS device. We need to open it, and in order to use the skill, we must enable it. So let's first look up the skill. Select the hamburger menu at the top left, go down to Skills and Games. Let's search for the Texas Police Scanner skill. Texas Police Scanner, and select Texas Police Scanner. And now select Enable to Use. Now, at this point, this skill has been enabled so we can use it on our Alexa device, and we need to then go to the device and we'll show you how to use it.
Alexa, open up Texas Police Scanner.
Welcome to Texas Police Scanner. You can listen to live scanners in Texas. Just ask, Alexa, search for zip code, and say the zip code you want to look up.
Alexa, search for zip code 75052.
What type of scanner do you want to hear? Please specify police, fire, EMS, rail, or airport. Please note in some location not all scanners are available.
Alexa, search for police scanners.
Thank you for requesting to play police scanners for zip code 75052. 6 scanners were found. I will provide you a list of scanner options to select. Please select the scanner option number to start playing the scanner. You can do this by saying, Alexa, play option, and then say the number of the scanner option you wish to play. Option 1. Dallas City Police 1 Central and 2 Northeast. Option 2. Dallas City Police 3 Southeast, 4 Southwest, and 7 South Central. Option 3. Dallas City Police Dispatch 5, Northwest. Option 4. Dallas County Sheriff and Fire. Option 5. Richardson Police Dispatch. Option 6. Saxe Police and Fire.
Alexa, play option 1.
Playing Dallas City Police 1 Central and 2 Northeast. Note, depending on time of day and scanner activity, certain scanners can be silent for periods at a time.
Tower 293, is there a supervisor by the radio? Up there wants to field supervisor. Bravo 220. I'll send you a message. Charlie 251, we'll take that call on RB. Fox 151.
Good.
I'll check on the east side.
Hey, cover Fox 151 on east side.